one of the top-notch athletes of our time.
Oh.
Virat Kohli makes news on the field as much as he does off the field. His vegetarianism has been a topic of interest for a while, mainly because of questions about his protein intake. Kohli has followed a plant-based, high-protein diet since 2018. It is rich in plant-based proteins such as lentils, legumes, tofu and quinoa. These foods supply essential amino acids for muscle repair and growth, supporting his intense training and quick recovery. He also goes easy on fat and his carbs are simple. The golden rule? Avoid all kinds of oily, deep-fried, spicy and rich food. Plant-based diet has been endorsed by Sunil Chhetri too.
The enthusiasm that you see when me and him talk about it is just because of the results we are getting. There is no agenda here, there is no advertisement. I said, I don't say anyone to turn vegan or whatever. Somebody asks me, I tell them that this is what I'm feeling. If you want to try, you can try.
Keep it simple, boiled with minimal seasoning. This reduces unnecessary calorie intake and inflammation, helping maintain a lean physique and optimal body fat percentage.